Hey there and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add a professional-looking email subscribe form to your Wix website, perfect for growing your mailing list and making sure your visitors never miss an update. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a subscribe form that matches your site's look and helps you start collecting emails right away, even if you're brand new to Wix. All right, let's dive right in and get started. First things first. Go ahead and open up your Wix web design dashboard. This is your central hub, the place where you control the look and functionality of your website. If you're already logged in, just head over to the site you want to work on. Don't worry if this is your first time poking around in Wix. The interface is pretty intuitive, and we'll take it step by step. Now, once you're in your site editor, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click on that. This panel gives you access to all sorts of features: images, text, menus, you name it. But for today, we're going to focus on an element that will really boost your audience engagement: the subscribe form. To find it, scroll down to the section called Interactive. These elements are designed to spark action from your visitors. Interactive features like forms, buttons, and lightboxes encourage users to engage rather than just browse passively. So, when you add an email subscribe form, it's more than just a box. It's a way for people to take that next step and connect with you. Inside the interactive category, look under Lightboxes. Lightboxes are pop-up windows that appear over the main content, grabbing attention immediately, like a friendly invitation to join your community. Under this section, you'll see Subscribe. Here's where you get to choose a template. Wix offers a variety of stylish subscribe form designs, ranging from simple and minimalistic to bold and vibrant. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one that fits the mood and branding of your site. If your site is creative and artsy, maybe select a colorful template. Or, for a clean business site, you might want something more streamlined. There's no wrong choice, just what feels right for your audience. Once you find a template you like, click Add. Now, your subscribe form pops right onto your site as a lightbox. This is the fun part. You get to edit the details. Click on the form to open up the editing options. Here, you can change the text. Think about a friendly headline like, "Join our mailing list," or "Get the latest updates." You can also adjust the description, button text, and even the colors or fonts so the form blends perfectly with your site's design. Spend a little time here because a well-written message can make visitors feel more invited to sign up. If you want to collect additional information, like names or interests, you can add those fields too. But remember, sometimes simpler is better when it comes to subscribe forms. And there you go. That's it. You've just added an email subscribe form to your Wix website. Now, whenever visitors arrive, they'll see your invitation to join, helping you build your mailing list and keep your audience in the loop. This whole process only takes a few minutes, but it makes a big difference in how you connect with your visitors. Before you go, if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want tips for customizing your subscribe form further. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy, practical web design tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site.